We know SmartBear's BearQ AI system can identify every functional testing component of our application the moment we give the URL of our application. And it is going to go deep inside the functional aspect of the application and identify what needs to be tested. So you know that we have got these bunch of agents like the QA lead agent, tester agent, and explorer agent, which are going to do all these operations for you. So the QA lead agent is going to manage all the test strategies and also helps you instruct the tester agent and explorer agent to do what exactly if there encounters any issue, or if you encounters any new functionality, or if you explore new areas to be tested, then QA lead is responsible for doing all the different orchestration operation for you. And the explorer agent is going to explore the application, and then it is going to create the list of pages and features which needs to be tested by this tester agent. But let's say you have got a new feature in the application that is just added, and the explorer agent has not yet kicked in with a scheduled task. Then you can actually force the SmartBear BearQ system to instruct it to go and explore the specific area as well, like the functional area as well. The way you can actually do it is using this application tab over here. You have got an option called as expand application model. This is pretty powerful, to be honest. So you can see that it says maps and document functional areas of the application and then identifies new features. So these are the different functional area that I have got within my application. This is all automatically mapped by the SmartBear's BearQ system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask this SmartBear BearQ system to go and explore the search result area a lot more. So you can see that within my application over here, I just merged a new change on the search functionality of the application. So if I'm going to go to the EA app, employee app over here, you see that 17 minutes ago I did a commit for the search functionality. So this search functionality is especially to cater different types of the searching, like by name, by email, and also with the different pagination options. So you can do all sort of thing in this particular pull request that I have merged. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to ask the SmartBear BearQ system to go and explore this search result area to add new tests in there. So you see that right now it is going to go and start exploring the search operation for me. So it has went to the application, and you can see that this is the objective. So your goal is to use the category and existing test in that category to conduct an exploration of the application targeted or find some new that is the category, and don't venture beyond the category. Think like an QA expert QA engineer. What's something new I can explore in this test area? See, right now this UI is entirely different. This UI was not there before, like 17 minutes before. It was not even live before, but right now we have got this particular feature added in the application. So this explorer agent can now go and explore the complete application. You see that how it's really testing all these area right now. It's testing by name. It did test by the email. It's also testing with the different kinds of the permutations and combination, like with special characters, by with actual names and things. So it's doing all sort of test for me right now. And this is the power. Now we can focus the agent's energy in one single area of the functional area of the application and tell where exactly we can add more tests for our application. This is so powerful because now you don't have to just rely on SmartBear's BearQ system to go and explore by itself, but you can now focus its energy on a specific area, and then you can tell what exactly needs to be tested. And you see that the moment we are actually talking right now, the agents are already testing with the different combinations. See how many tests it's actually doing behind the scene. This is crazy. And it's testing all of these functionality. And you see the rules that this particular prompt has got, which is especially for the exploration operation. And you can see what are the different kinds of tests it is currently doing. And you can see that how many MCP calls are really happening over here. So it's a browser click, browser type, and then so many things are really going on. But you can see behind the scene, it's doing a lot more exploration. So by this time, now the SmartBear BearQ systems already knows that there is a gigantic functional areas that has just recently added, and it's fully explored. So now the system is going to get all these information and start adding new tests for these functionalities. என்னம்மா I'm still seeing that the agents is super hard in trying to do a lot of different tests with the name initially and then with email initially. Now it's doing a combination of name and email. It's also doing test with different kinds of operation. I think it has completed its exploration operation because now it has moved away from that particular tab. So let's see what's really going on in this exploration operation, which is happening at the moment. Look at that. Now the exploration is completed successfully and it has created a subtask to update the application model for me. So this is the place where the application model is going to be updated because there is a new change in the UI. So it's also updating its knowledge base inside this entire system so that next time while the test is going to happen, this model is going to be used for the rest of the test operation that it's going to be doing. Look at that. So this is all is running at the moment, and you can actually see that there is a parent task which is going to take us back to the place where we were actually using the exploration operation. And this is the subtask which is created. So it's running as well, and it is going to be completed pretty soon. The moment it's gonna start writing the new test for me over there. So let's just wait for that to really happen. All right, you can see that it is fully completed. And now it's going to say that, okay, this page looks like an employee list page. So it's not going to be creating a new page for this particular screenshot. Rather, it's just going to go and update its knowledge for the future purpose. So the next time, while there is going to be a new test added, this knowledges are going to be used by the AI agents like the QA lead agent, explorer agent, and the tester agent to write a better test because it already has a context of what exactly the changes in the application really happening. So you know what? This is pretty amazing. By this, you have already seen the power of SmartBear's BearQ system where you can actually channel its actual exploration operation in a specific area the moment there is any change in the application's UI or something like that. So that's it, guys. That's all about the SmartBear's BearQ system and how you can use its power while you are going to be testing a specific area of your application. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.